Hello chess lovers, Suren here, and I have another hyper-aggressive attacking game for you played by Alexey Shirov. His opponent is Jerzy Lapinski, and the game was played in 1990 in Daugavpils, which is a city in Latvia. Shirov had white pieces and he started with e4, e5 by Lapinski, and f4. Shirov goes for this hyper-aggressive King's Gambit. E takes f4, King's Gambit accepted, knight f3, g5, bishop c4 and g4. Now the knight on f3 square is under attack, but here Shirov castles kingside and is sacrificing the knight. He goes for Muzio Gambit. G takes f3, queen takes f3, queen f6, the queen is coming to protect the pawn on f4 square. Of course, white is a piece down, will never allow the exchange of queens. That's why here comes e5. White is also sacrificing the e-pawn and is opening up the e-file. Queen takes e5, and once the queen is lured away, here comes the bishop. Bishop takes f7 check. Shirov goes for the sharpest line in King's Gambit. We see double Muzio Gambit. On move 8, white is already 2 pieces down, but white has an extremely dangerous attack and black should try hard to stop white's aggression. King takes f7, d4, allowing queen takes d4 as well. Look at this. Bishop e3, queen f6, of course the pawn is pinned, black can't capture on e3, that's why the queen retreats back on f6 square. Bishop takes f4, king e8, black is trying to bring the king on a safer square, knight c3, both opening up the first rank for the rook, and also the knight is eyeballing at d5 square. Knight c6, not a good move, it was better to play knight e7, both cover the king and also act against knight d5. If knight b5, then knight g6, though after rook e1 check, bishop e7, queen h5, still white has a very dangerous attack. But after knight c3, knight c6 was played. Here comes knight d5, queen g6, rook e1 check, bishop e7, and it turns out that this is actually a total blunder. Well, knight e7 could have prolonged the game, but in the game we see bishop e7. And now you can pause the video and try to find Shirov's next move. Ready? In this position, Shirov played bishop d6, both threatening queen f8 checkmate and also intensifying the pressure on e7. Of course, the bishop can't be captured because of this queen f8 checkmate. King d8 was played. Well, if knight f6, then simply bishop takes e7 and then knight takes e7. Again, this is crushing. After bishop d6, black played king d8, and now comes this amazing queen f8 check. Bishop takes f8, and here comes bishop takes c7, and black king is getting checkmated. What a game! I have already forgot how many pieces were sacrificed in this game, and finally we see this amazing checkmate on the board. A very impressive game, I think. Thanks for watching. Here are some more interesting suggestions for you, and also for more games, don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Good luck!